G'day guys, it's Tommy here from Raw Blend. Today I'm going to make for you a microgreens smoothie. I'm going to use the Vitamix A3500i, Vitamix's top of the line blender. Now microgreens are really nutritious for you. They're packed with vitamins and enzymes, and you can buy these now at your local supermarket. You can also grow them in your backyard. I'm going to use a whole coconut, so a young coconut. Now, I like to use a sharp bread knife or just some sort of serrated knife to get the top off. I find it the easiest way. I'll just work it around until you can get it off like so. There we go, break into that. So I'm just gonna pour the liquid straight into my Vitamix. And I'm also gonna scoop the flesh out of my coconut. I don't wanna waste that. It's really nutritious, ultra hydrating. I like to get one of these spatulas. We sell these on our website. Just a perfect spatula for getting in here underneath the coconut. There we go. I'm going to put the flesh in as well. There we go. Out it comes. So I'm going to put that whole flesh straight in. Absolutely beautiful. Going to add one banana. We peel the bananas, of course. Even the monkeys do that. We do too. I've got some kiwi fruits. I've sliced the peel off these. You don't have to. It's entirely up to you. It gives the smoothie a little bit of a furry consistency. So I'm just going to throw 4 kiwi fruits in. I've also got a whole lime. I'm going to throw that in. 1 stick of celery. Notice I used the leaves. I'm also going to put in all these strings. With an ordinary blender, those will get wrapped around the blade. Not a problem for Vitamix. Good handful of spinach, baby spinach leaves. So I'm just going to cut some off here. About 2 cups of ice. Big chunk there, it's a Vitamix. It's not going to matter. It's going to pulverize that, not a problem at all. Like so. Always make sure that lid is locked into place. It's also got a safety feature, so it's not going to start unless that lid is locked into place. So I'm just going to start that on speed 1 here, work it up to 10 and let it run for about 1 minute. Away we go. Now with the A3500, it actually has automatic timer settings. Today I just preferred to use the manual setting, but you can absolutely use those auto settings if you want to. All right, let's try some of this beautiful microgreen smoothie. Look at that, absolutely beautiful. All disappeared into that silky smooth consistency. Oh, absolutely delicious. Those micro herbs add a beautiful flavor to my green smoothie and feel all those vitamins running through my body already. Happy blending.